Ratio, rate, and proportion. Ratio is mainly about sharing. So if you have X Ghana cedis and we are sharing it among A, B, and C in a ratio A is to B is to C, then A will receive AX over A plus B plus C. That is the total ratio over here. So this amount of money goes to A. Then this goes to B and this also goes to C. If this is a field and we have X men and they are able to weed this in P days, then X plus Y men will take less number of days to weed this plot of land. That's the same plot of land. So we say that if less, more divides. Therefore, X plus Y men will take Px over X plus Y days. On the other hand, if X plus Y men weed this in P days, then X men will take more days. Therefore, if more, less divides. Hence, X men will take P into bracket X plus Y over X days. Now let's solve some past questions for more understanding. A liter of petrol costs 550 cedis. The average fuel consumption of a car is 4.55 liters per 30 kilometers. What is the cost of petrol for a journey of 150 kilometers to the nearest city? So we were told that 1 liter costs 550 cedis. So 1 liter costs 550 cedis. $550. Now we need to know how much 4.55 liters will cost. So 4.55 liters will cost X cedis. We don't know, so we have to use ratio or proportion to find X. Now we know that 4.55 liters will cost 4.55 times 550 cedis, because 1 liter costs 550 cedis. Hence 4.55 liters will cost 2,502.5 cedis. Now we need to do some comparison over here. We know this amount corresponds to 30 kilometers. So 30 kilometers corresponds to 2,502.5 cedis. 2,502.5 cedis. But we are looking for how much 150 kilometer journey will cost. So 150 kilometer is to, let's say, Y cedis. So we know that this will be more. If 30 costs 2,502.5, then 150 will be more. So if more, less divides. So the less of 30 and 150 will divide. Therefore 30 will divide. So we have 2,502.5 times 150 kilometers over 30 kilometers. So This will be equal to, so this will be equal to 12,512.5 cedis. Now to the nearest cedi, we are going to get 12,513 cedis. So the correct answer is A. The speed of a car is 63 kilometers per hour. Express the speed in meters per second. So we have kilometers per hour and meters per second. So we have the kilometer over here, and we have the hour here. So we have 63 kilometers in every 1 hour. Now I want to see the equivalence in meters per second. So we know 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. Therefore 63 kilometers will be 63,000 meters. And 60 by 60 seconds will give us 1 hour. So meters per second will now be equal to 63,000 over 3,600. This is equal to 17.5 meters per second. Three partners, Ali, Baba, and Musa, shared their profit in the ratio 7:30:5 respectively. At the end of a certain year, Baba had 840,000 more than Ali. What was the final profit shared by the three partners? So let A be Ali, then B is Baba, then M is Musa. Now we want to get the amount each of them received. So let's say that the total profit that they received was X cedis. So let X be the total profit. So if S is the total profit, then we need to find the total ratio. The total ratio will be equal to 7 plus 13 plus 5, which is 25. So each of them will receive, Ali will receive 7 times X over 25. Then Baba will also receive 13 times X over 25. And Musa will receive 5 times X over 25. But we were told that in a certain year, Baba had 840,000 more than Ali. So we have to compare the two of them, their share. So it means that when we add 840,000 to Ali's share, it will equate Baba's share. So Ali's share plus 840,000 will be equal to Baba's share, which is 13x over 25. Now this is a linear equation, so we can solve for the value of x. So x, 6x over 25 will be equal to 840,000. So x now will be equal to 25 times 840,000. 25 times 840,000 divided by 6. And this is equal to 3,000. This is equal to 500,000. So it is 3,500,000. That's the total profit that is shared. Now look at this one very carefully. This one is on proportion. It's about typing speed. So we have Jane and Joyce. Jane finished typing in 9 minutes and Joyce in 12 minutes. So Jane was able to type 100 words. So if you examine the thing critically, it means Jane is faster in typing than Joyce. So in 9 minutes, Jane was able to type 100 words. But that of Joyce, 12 minutes, we don't know how many words she was able to type. By looking at it, because Joyce types at a slower rate, he will type fewer words. So if less, more divides. So more of 9 and 12 is 12. So the 12 is going to divide. Hence, Joyce will, the number of minutes Joyce will type is equal to 9 times 100 over 12, and that is equal to 75.